I'm going to go ahead and run through the steps that I use to create an inexpensive bird bath. Use 2 bags of concrete from Home Depot that cost $12 total. My wife's yoga ball was used as the form, just the upper half. And by placing the Portland cement on it, you can use it as a form and then pop the yoga ball right out. Use soil cement as a mortar. It's really easy, just 1 part Portland cement, 6 parts soil, and go ahead and just basically glue in river rock right onto the rim of your bird bath. It's cheap, easy, costs about 50 cents. Old scrap steel post to support the bird bath, and then spread dirt around to be able to make sure all the voids are filled. Peat moss was added to increase the acidity and water retention of the soil, and azalea fertilizer was used to lower the pH value to support blueberry plants. Blueberry plants are really hard to grow in this area. It's a neutral soil, so they don't last very long. So by doing that, we can go ahead and plant the blueberries and expect that they're going to do reasonably well. Each blueberry plant has its own independent water drip line, but around it, just to minimize water losses, we went ahead and put in these river rocks. They were free, easy to get, and hopefully this will grow well. We used a local delivery company to bring in about 300 yards of 3/8 inch minus crushed gravel to put all around our area. But before we did that, we wanted to make sure the bird bath was nice and sealed. We also hired a local skid steer contractor to come and spread that gravel and make it look good. This guy charges pretty good rates, $70 an hour, pretty good price on this. Went ahead and did all the individual raking and hoeing to make sure the gravel was all level, and presto, we have a beautiful landscaped area. You don't have to worry about the wind, the weeds, the dust. We'll spray some Crowbar down to sterilize the soil. Appreciate you guys watching this, and you guys have a great day. Thank you.